Numit samnga suraba Manipur ki irang asigi matanda ipsagi working president Kuraijam athobana lusingdana Europe talaiba MEETEI DIASPORA madi India ke northeastern region ki activists singa loinana United Nations ke office mamangda khongjang sangsindra international community singi mieng singsin kre United Nations ke office mamangda sangsin ki khongjang aduda kolau ke lauduna Manipur bu mahusai punsida hanjin hanaba mari laina basingi puning singsin ke khongjang aduga mari laina ipsagi president Kuraijam athobana Myanmar ke sangsila pachin kuki foreigners sing na Manipur ki irang asi ohelap ke sawa maramamani India government kuki militants sing lainari pamari amadi MEETEI ki khul sing da toin attack chatharagli pasingi matang da su phongtoke
Manipur is now at the brink of the emergence of a new golden triangle, which is really a concern not just for the state of Manipur, not just for the region of Northeast India, not just for the country of India, but for entire human society. We are at the brink of an emergence of another golden triangle, which needs to be controlled and contained in time, otherwise it could become the greatest enemy of the entire human society. Today we also have a side event where we will be discussing on the 500 days of continuous violence in Manipur, the drone bombings in the state of Manipur where people are running helter-skelter to save their life from all these terror activities. Rockets been fired from a distance of 7 kilometers, landed in civilian areas, killing